Hello everyone, this is Chanika again, and today I'll be talking about the NetBeans IDE and how to develop Java programs using the NetBeans IDE. I've already installed the NetBeans IDE onto my system. I have version 7. You also have to have a JDK installed in order to compile your Java files. So those are the prerequisites for using NetBeans. So let's start up NetBeans. I have it right over here on my taskbar, or else you can open it up from the start menu. That is all programs. Go over to NetBeans. There it is, NetBeans. Click on it. Click on NetBeans IDE. 7.0.1 is the particular version that I have. So we'll be using that in this particular tutorial. NetBeans can be used to develop a numerous number of applications. You can develop applications using Java. You can add plugins to actually develop programs using C and C++. You can do JW, that is Java Web programming, such as JSPs, HTMLs, and other stuff. So this is the NetBeans IDE. This is the basic view of how your NetBeans IDE looks like. You actually have the palettes and stuff on the right side over here, and this is your startup page. You have your project over here. These are the files that are contained in the project. There's no project open right now. And then you have the services where you have your databases and stuff like that. You can actually even develop Android applications like in Eclipse. So those of you who have used Eclipse maybe for Java, it'll be very similar to NetBeans. NetBeans again is open source, and you can download it from the NetBeans website. So let's go create a Java program, a simple Java program, so that you know how to actually write, compile, and then actually run a NetBeans project. So let's click on File and New Project. Here you can see we have Java, Java Web, Java EE, there's enterprise applications and stuff like that. Then we have Java ME, Maven, scripts, similar to Ant, they're the next version basically. And PHP, Android, C++. I have all the things installed on my system. So Java application is something that you get by default with the NetBeans installation. Just select Java application, click next. So here it just gives it a name, so let's give demo project as our name for the NetBeans project, and so it should create a class for us. So we click finish, so it's creating the project, as you can see right over here. So once it creates a project, we should have our project right over here on the left hand side of the browser or the window. Using NetBeans is pretty easy because it gives you a really cool text editor which actually helps you to write Java programs, and once you start using it, you'll understand that it really helps you a lot, and it makes your job very much easy. So here you go, we have our class it's given, public class demo project, and it's given us the main function as well, where we can actually put our code application, the application code logic over there. So as you can see, demo project with Java, it's present in, this is our project, demo project, and that you'll have libraries in case you want any libraries, such as JDBC drivers and stuff like that. And here you have the source packages, where you have by default the package given is demo project, and inside that we can change that. You can take any package and put the demo project class file inside that. So here we have the demo project.java open for us. So this is where we have to write our code. We'll just write a simple code, system.out. And to show you the easiness of NetBeans, let's include a scanner class. Scan equals new scanner system.in. And now you can see it's showing an error. So if you go over here, right click on the light bulb, it'll show you, left click on the light bulb, and it'll say add import for java.util.scanner. And you can see it automatically adds the import, so you don't have to do much of the coding. It'll help you a lot in this manner. So now let's say int a system.out.println enter a number. You can see it also does autofilling for us, which means that it fills in the code for us without us actually um, writing the full thing. So if you keep open brace, it'll add the close brace for you. So now you can print the variable. It's pretty easy using NetBeans. So you just have to know minimum Java to actually do that. So here we go. We've finished our code now, and as you can see, there's no red mark, so there's no errors in your file. So now to build a project, what you have to do is you simply go over to here, and actually the advantage with NetBeans is that whatever project that you've created, it's usually set as a main project. In case it isn't set as the main project, just right click on the project over here and put select the option set as main project, which is set it as a main project. And now you can actually click on the green arrow button over here. It's actually the run button, but once you click on it, it'll actually build the file in case the file hasn't been built before, and it'll only build the project which is highlighted like over here because it's the main project. So anytime you create a new project, the latest project that you've created will be the main project by default. So check whether you which project you're using as the main one, or else you'll be editing one program and you'll be actually compiling a different one. So you just click on run over here. You can see it's building the demo project. Okay, so it's built. Now we can enter a number, and the number is 12. So the build has been successful, and it's has been run successfully. If you can see right over here on the bottom where we have the console, so you can see it's been built successfully. So in case you want to do this in another way, you can actually go over here and you can just click on run file, which will also do the same thing, and you can actually build a project from here by doing that. So it's been compiled automatically when we save them, so let's clean and build. So it's building it again, compiling the whole thing, so the build has been successful, and now we can just run the project. So there you go. The advantage with doing that is when you have multiple Java classes in your project, which isn't possible with C programs. You have to have only one main program, but with the Java programs you can have multiple Java programs in the same project, and whichever one you get by default, the default Java class over here, demo project.java, that will be your home page, or the page that is actually going to open up when you first start out your project. The rest of the classes will be acting in the background. So um, when you want to build all of them together, just right click on the project and click build or clean and build. Clean and build usually brings in any new changes. So that's pretty much how you use NetBeans to create a simple Java program. I hope it was useful for you. Thank you.